Forget fumbling for your debit card. Your smartphone is now your key to Bank of America ATMs. Let's get started. First, ensure your Bank of America debit or credit card is added to your digital wallet, whether that's Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. At the ATM, instead of inserting a card, look for the contactless symbol, usually located near the card reader. It looks like for curved lines. Now, simply hold your smartphone with your digital wallet open and ready. Over this contactless symbol, your phone will vibrate or confirm the connection. The ATM screen will then prompt you to enter your PIN. This is the same PIN you use for your physical card. Once your PIN is entered, you'll have full access to your account. Just as if you used your physical card, you can withdraw cash, check balances, or make deposits. The transaction process is identical. Select your desired action, confirm the amount, and collect your cash or receipt. And that's it. A seamless, secure, and cardless way to manage your finances at Bank of America ATMs. Give it a try on your next visit.